Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by creating an audio track and selecting your guitar input so Garageband hears you. Once set, enable monitoring and play while adjusting input gain until peaks sit around -12 to -6 dB. This prevents digital clipping and preserves dynamics. Next, pick a clean preset so you have a neutral starting point. Make sure Smart Controls is visible to access amp and effects quickly. Doing these steps now saves time when you begin shaping tone with pedals and amp models. Once the track is ready, open Smart Controls and work left to right in the signal chain. Place pedal board before Amp Designer to drive the amp naturally, because preamp distortion reacts differently than post-amp effects. Choose amp type and cabinet, then set mic position for brightness or warmth. Small changes matter. After the amp, add modulation and a delay or reverb, these live post-amp to preserve natural saturation. Make small tweaks, play phrases, and listen for how each change affects dynamics and clarity. You finish by recording quick test takes and a /Bing settings so you hear differences. Automate volume or effect wet/dry to add movement. If the sound gets muddy, cut low frequencies or change the cabinet mic position toward the edge for clarity. Conversely, move closer for more mid-range bite. If you notice latency while playing, lower the audio buffer size in preferences or toggle off software monitoring and rely on direct monitoring from your interface. This fixes timing and keeps your performance natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.